Hey, how's it going? My name is Shu. In this video, I want to show you how to plan your week in Rome. So I'm using this weekly planning template in Rome. It's got two sections, weekly review and weekly goals. Every Sunday, I take about 1 hour to plan the next week, and I usually start from reviewing the last week. So in weekly review, I ask myself 5 questions. And I think asking yourself these questions is really important to identify how you can do better next week, how to improve yourself. And these questions really help you to become more intentional how you spend your time. So the first question is, what went well last week in terms of work, private life and health? And for the last week, for me, it was to publish 3 videos as planned, sharing videos on Twitter, and etc. And the next question is, what didn't go well last week? And I couldn't publish as many articles as I wanted, and couldn't do yoga, and so on. And the next question is, how can I do better this week? How can I do better this week? And my solutions were to use time block more and write shorter articles, and so on. And what do I want to learn by the end of this week? And I have 2 main learning goals this week, which is to learn how to create backlinks and how the gut microbiome affect your brain. The last question is, how can I get out of my comfort zone this week? And I think for you to grow, it's very important to get out of your comfort zone, which is very difficult. So asking yourself this question makes you more intentional, and it kind of forces you to do this. So to me, it was to talk to a stranger at the gym, which sounds silly, but I'm gonna try to do that. And then I have weekly goals. For that, I use Kanban board. So I have from Monday to Sunday, and based on the answers of these questions, I put important tasks in each day, like this. So for example, today on Monday, I want to publish a video, which is why I'm recording this today. And later today, I want to do some research on gut microbiome. Okay, so let me show you how to create this page, even though it is fairly simple. First of all, you want to create a page. So for that, I'm going to create a page for the next week. So week 3, and 17th to 23rd of February. And go to this page. And you want to create the 2 sections, which are weekly review and weekly goals. And for weekly review, I just use my template by shift click this page and copy and paste. And obviously you can modify these questions. This is just these questions is just my preference, and you can change them however you like. And then for weekly goals, create a Kanban board, and then create each day. And then you can start answering these questions each week when you plan your next week. And based on your answers, you can write tasks under each day. So I don't know, like publish a video or something like that. So that's how I plan my week in Rome. Please let me know what you think about this sort of template. I want to keep it short because I don't want to spend hours spending my next week. I feel like that's kind of pointless. And well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.